we've got some fragrances, so you are gonna want to see this. I am super excited, so stay tuned because there's a giveaway. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy.
I'm Chloe.
And we have Dexter, our cat, sitting with us. He's a handsome boy with a bow tie.
Mm-hmm.
And I have a package from Clone of Perfume. So they are a new US-based company that does recreations of famous perfumes that cost a lot of money, but theirs are $40 a bottle. And I have a 15% off discount code. So that is Tracy Chloe, all caps, and all spelled right there, but also in the name, right? Tracy and Chloe. But it's Tracy Chloe, all one word. It's going to get you 15% off. It is an affiliate code, so I do earn a commission off of sales.
Nice.
But I like to just bring new products to you. I mean, even if they just gave me the code for you guys, I'd be happy with that. All right.
Is there for sponsorship?
No, it's not our first affiliate code.
Well, like we get commission.
Yeah. Now they also allowed me to pick out 3 fragrances, which I have, and said that I could offer one as a giveaway. So I am going to spritz each one of them just to get a scent note profile for you, but one of these is going to go to one of you out there. So pretty exciting, right? Mm-hmm. Our first one is Lost in Symphony. Let's take a look. But don't say anything but scent notes because we want to guess them first. Now, I'm terrible at this game, I gotta tell you. All right, so just like a nice, clean looking bottle. I like that. My first impression of that is I like that it's just a nice, clean looking bottle. And again, great price point. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Try it on yours. You'll never guess this. This is so...
I'm smelling some fruit.
I'll give you 1 point for each one you get right. Can I smell it too?
I'm smelling grapefruit, I think.
I know what you're saying, but
not right?
It's not right.
Okay. I'm smelling grapefruit, a little maybe vanilla musk.
No.
No? Okay, I'm totally wrong then. Is it a citrus fruit?
No.
There's no citrus fruit in there. Okay, how about rose?
No.
No, okay, I am totally wrong.
But the fruit comes from a beautiful flower.
Fruit comes from a beautiful flower.
People celebrate it all over the world.
I don't know.
It's very pretty. It's pink. They're found in DC.
Blossoms? Cherry blossoms?
You're getting there.
Well, cherry blossoms are...
Get rid of the blossom part.
Cherries?
That's one of them.
Magnolia?
No, just cherry. Naked cherry.
Just naked cherry. Okay.
Guess there's more. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 more.
I'm not going to guess them. I already gave you all my guesses.
So does it smell like a ultimatum?
Does it smell like an ultimatum?
Does it smell like a brutal story?
No.
Or a thunderstorm?
No.
Or a
well, I know that.
veil?
I know this is Lost in Symphony. What?
How are those even scents? I mean, it smells really good. I just don't understand how an ultimatum can be a scent.
Okay. So there are scent notes, though.
Yeah, those were the scent notes.
Oops.
Go back. The scent notes were up here. Oh, wait.
Okay.
Those are popular searches.
Okay.
Oh my god. Let's restart this. Or unless you want to keep that in, because it's kind of
funny.
It's kind of funny.
Okay.
Would it be under description, you think?
Yes, it would be.
Oh, then you got it right. It's grapefruit. And
Grapefruit.
there's 2 more things, but I think you can guess them. It's close to grapefruit. It smells citrusy.
Not lemon.
Not lemon.
Bergamot?
Yes, and there's
Okay.
one more. There's one more.
One more fruit?
For top.
For top?
And it's not fruit, but it is a food.
It is a food?
Often used as a spice.
Used as a spice. Cardamom?
No, but close.
Okay. Why don't you tell me?
Ginger.
Ginger. Okay, no, I didn't.
But you did get
ginger.
cardamom. That is
Okay.
the heart.
Okay, because I
And
thought
then-
it smelled some cardamom.
You said earlier you said a certain flower, not
I
cherry
said rose.
blossom. The first one, close. It's a spice.
Magnolia? Oh, it's a spice? I said vanilla musk.
No, rose and spice, like an herb. I mean, it's an herb.
Rosemary?
Yes.
Okay.
Can I spell that again? And then the other two, I'm just gonna tell you because I don't expect you to guess these. There's labubudum and abroxan.
It's not labubudum.
Yes, it is. It's labubudum.
It's got musk and broxin and
Labubudum.
no.
That's
Lab-
labubudum.
Labdunum. Labdunum. I don't know what labdunum is, but it's very nice. It's very
I'm gonna
light.
smell it.
I would definitely say it is a romantic type scent, and it is inspired by the scent Symphony.
Yeah, I'd give that a 10 out of 10.
All right, 10 out of 10.
Alright.
Chloe's a harsh grader too, so
Yeah, I like it. I like it a little bit on the muskier side sometimes. And I like this one. I would personally wear it.
okay. Number 2 is Brave in Love.
Can you see the back? Oh no, it's not. I'm sorry, in there. Brave in Love. Okay, let me look that up. Rouge Veil, Naked Cherry, Thunderstorm, Brutal Story, Ultimatum again.
Stop it. All right, I'm gonna spray it, which means you get the last one. Oh.
Mmm. Oh, I love that.
Me too. It smells like candy.
Yeah, like cotton candy.
It
Let
does.
me look for the. Where's. No, my stupid words. Oh, description. I found it. Alright. That's not one of the.
So I think there's like a sugared, maybe. I don't know.
So there are a couple of sweet treats in there as notes. There's one. Alright, so just give me, like, list off what you think is in there.
Okay. Well, if it's not cotton candy,
But it smells like it.
it definitely does. Not sugar plum though, because sugar plum would be deeper.
This smells like the cotton candy body spray we got. You know which one I'm talking about?
No.
Oh.
Oh, maple one?
I don't know what it's called, but it's the cotton candy body spray.
Oh, body spray.
You're hogging it.
I'm hogging it. Okay, this one we have to keep. Sorry, guys.
Yeah.
This one we have to keep because it smells like spun sugar,
It does.
which is candy cane. I mean,
So it's one of the
candy.
ones from the last one.
bergamot.
Yes.
Bergamot's like the scent that's in everything.
Yeah, that's the top one. That's one of the top.
Okay, what else is in there?
There are 2 spices. One of them is in my pickle mix. And the other one,
It's definitely not dill.
no, is, you know, pink salt? It's like that, but the opposite.
Pink pepper.
Yes.
No, I'm not getting the pink pepper.
And the third one, they're like seeds, kind of. It's not
It's
the
not
M
cardamom?
word. No, it's not cardamom.
Coriander.
Yes. Alright, now for the heart, there's a blossom in here, a type of blossom, and it's a fruit blossom.
Orange blossom.
Yes.
Okay, I could get that. It's not very citrusy, but I can definitely get a little bit of the sweet
Now-
citrusy scent.
The sweetest smell you're smelling right now
Mm-hmm.
is
Vanilla?
No.
Okay.
I mean, no, there's no vanilla in here, but sometimes I smell it at home, and when I say, oh my god, I know that smell, it's blank, you're like, are you crazy? You're crazy, that doesn't grow around here.
I don't know.
It's honeysuckle.
Oh, honeysuckle. Okay. Okay, yeah, I could see that.
Because I smell it. Sometimes when we go home, I smell it. I swear. Outside, I smell it. But also, there's 3 more flowers in the heart.
Okay. Well, why don't you, let's go over the top again. What are the top notes?
Neroli, bergamot, pink pepper, and coriander.
Okay. Neroli, very sweet for neroli and pink pepper. Okay, mid notes?
Orange blossom, honeysuckle, and 3 more flowers. One of them, you said it like 5 times.
Okay, why don't you just say it?
Rose.
Rose, okay.
Oh,
What
there
else?
is vanilla in here somewhere, but that's the bottom. That's the
Okay,
base.
so the middle notes have,
There are just 2 more,
just tell me.
jasmine and iris.
Okay.
And then for the base, 2 of these are sweets that you eat, and you happen to like both of them a lot. Once we got an entire advent calendar full of this snack.
Marshmallow.
Yes.
Marshmallow, yes.
And the last
Okay.
one, this one you really like, but you like it when it's salted.
Caramel?
Yes.
All
Caramel. And musk.
Okay.
And then the boo boo dum.
Boo Dum, okay. And this is a clone of the scent Love Don't Be Shy. All right, and then the last one Chloe's going to wear, but I will still do the sniff test because I don't have my glasses to know what it
This
is.
one called
Thunderstorm.
Thunderstorm. Oh! Does it have hints of Rouge Veil, Naked Cherry, Brutal Thorn, and all?
Yeah, they all do, yeah.
Kind of wish we got to smell the Naked Cherry. It sounds interesting. Mmm. I like it. I think you might like it.
Okay, let me sniff. Oh, yeah, I like that. Yeah. This is definitely not a sweet floral scent, though. This is more of a musk scent. It reminds me of like fresh rain, which I know isn't a scent that's in there, but it reminds me of fresh rain.
Okay, now for the top one, this is in literally every single.
Bergamot.
Yes. Now, there's like 3 fruits in here.
Okay, 3 fruits besides bergamot?
Yes.
Okay.
For the top.
Is there grapefruit?
No. This one's a niche
Pear?
fruit. Niche.
Niche? Dragon fruit?
No.
I don't know that.
If you like pina coladas.
So, is it pineapple?
Yes, and then there's orchards have.
Apples?
And now think of the nichest fruit you can. Well, it's not the nichest, but it's pretty niche. We got them in mints, like this flavored mints once in a box. And I love them. Blackcurrant.
Oh, blackcurrant. Okay.
I'm surprised you
I
can smell
get
it.
that. Now that you say it, I
smell
can get
It's
it.
changed.
Yeah, well, as it dries down, you start
I
to
know.
get the base notes.
I know, I'm letting you smell it.
Yeah.
In the middle, we had the last 2 in it. In their flowers.
Iris?
No.
Rose?
Yes.
Honeysuckle? Geranium?
No.
Oh, jasmine.
Yep.
Okay.
And then hippies love this.
Patchouli.
Yes.
I feel like I'm on Jeopardy.
It's also in a Nerve Herder song.
Patchouli is?
Yes.
Okay.
It's in Nose Ring Girl.
Okay.
Now, for the base,
Yeah.
vanilla, I'm going to give you that one.
Okay.
There's no Labubu done,
Okay.
sadly. But they're very musky scents, the last 2.
Sandalwood?
Mm-mm.
Cedar.
Mm-mm.
Oak moss.
Yes, that's one of them. Oh,
Oak
I'm
moss.
sorry, Dexter. And there's one more.
I don't know.
Amber.
Oh, Ambrox?
Close. Amber.
I don't know.
Ambergris. Ambergris.
Okay. All right. Yeah. It has like a nice fresh rain scent, though. Very fresh. So this is inspired by Aventus. Okay, that makes sense because I have smelled this before. And it does smell. It would be a dupe, yes, because I just got this in another advent calendar, and absolutely, if you like Aventus, you're gonna love this. But I knew it was familiar. I knew the smell was familiar, and I was thinking Margot Elena, but now that I see this on the back, 100%. Yes.
So do we have
Love
to
it.
give one away?
We do. So, which one do you think would be most universally pleasing out of the, so this one was our favorite one, out of the Lost in Symphony and the Thunderstorm.
Can I smell Lost in Symphony again? That changed a lot. It's a lot more musky now.
I still think it smells nice.
Do we have to give one away?
We do. We have to give one away.
Smell, put Lost in Symphony on this one to make it fresh, and Thunderstorm on this one. Because I really like them both. Do we have anything that smells like either of these?
I think I have the event. I know I have the Aventus from an advent calendar.
So we have the Aventus.
I think I got an Aventus sampler with 3 different types of Aventus.
Where is it? I think we should get rid of the Aventus one.
Because we have the Aventus?
Yeah. What do you think?
Yeah.
It's really nice, so I like it.
Yeah, no, the Aventus is really nice. And we have, it's a small one. It's like, but I think it's like 3 different Aventuses of different strengths.
And we have a lot that smell kind of like this. We have a lot that are really citrusy. So I think even though I really
well, this
love
one
it,
isn't citrusy though. The Aventus one isn't. The Thunderstorm isn't citrusy.
to me it smells citrusy.
Oh, I don't think
To me, like at first it smelled like orange juice. Like when I first smelled, it's like, wow, this is like orange juice to me.
All right, so is that your final choice? You're gonna give this one away? All right. So if you are interested in winning this Aventus inspired Clone Thunderstorm number 23, what you need to do is you need to go ahead down below and leave me a comment that I don't know, use the word thunderstorm in your comment, and then I'll know that you are interested in this one. All right, so because this is gifted to me, you do not have to be subscribed to me, although it's a nice thing to do. You could do it if you like. This is affiliated with the Clone. They did say, go ahead, give one away if you'd like to. And I always like to give back to you guys. So it is affiliated with them, which is why it's not a subscriber give back. It's just a giveaway open to anyone who watches this. It will be open for 2 weeks. You must reside within the continental U.S., however, because shipping out fragrances is very difficult, particularly with customs and things like that. So we are going to just do this within the continental U.S. And if you have a mailing address in the continental U.S., that's fine. As long as you can get it somewhere. You must be 18 or over. And YouTube is not at all affiliated with this giveaway, just the Clone and myself. So go ahead, check them out, give them some love. Again, great prices, great fragrances. I'm totally impressed. I smelled the Aventus, and that smells just like it for a fraction of the cost. So one of you out there is going to get to see that yourself. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with us. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully we'll see you soon.